School is officially over. Let us open my birthday surprise box, Anna. Whoa! It is a massive 3-meter-tall pink gorilla balloon. Oh no! The wind captured the giant pink gorilla. It is flying away. Drop your heavy backpack, Ethan. We must chase it down the street lane. Follow my wheels. Ha! The gorilla is heading toward the busy main crossroad.
Wait, is that a giant, wild pink animal running past my window glass?
Attention, base. A strange pink beast is loose near the school fence lines.
Flashing lights activated. The police chase is starting right now.
Oh no! The police are chasing us. We are in huge trouble, Anna. Do not stop running, Ethan. We must catch the balloon beast first.
Stop running, children! Step away from that dangerous pink monster immediately!
It is not a monster, officer. It is just my birthday toy.
They are shouting in fear. The beast must be chasing the students.
Take this shortcut path. We can reach the bridge before the gorilla.
I am driving through the lawn grass. Nobody gets hurt on my watch.
It is diving under the bridge structure. It is going to get stuck.
Hold on, kids. The police squad is deploying a rescue cage device. I will capture the pink beast with this heavy rope grid blanket.
Look up there. The giant pink gorilla parade is moving down the lane. Ah! Ha ha ha! Now we have a whole bicycle army inside this crazy chase game. Watch out. If it hits the wood pole, the balloon will explode. Hit the board, gorilla. Change your velocity direction right now. Go left. Direct hit. The skateboard save was completely epic and magnificent, Anna.
This beast has incredible agility skills. It keeps dodging my cargo net.
It is going to splash. The gorilla wants to take a bath. We caught it! Ah! The fountain water weight is holding the string down. Ah!
Freeze, pink monster! The City Law Police Force has captured you today.
Look closely, Officer Jake. Does this plastic toy look like a wild beast?
Wow. Wait. There are no real teeth. This is just a giant balloon.
You chased a birthday balloon with a whole police car siren squad.
Oh my. I thought a real pink gorilla escaped from the city zoo.
This after-school police chase was the coolest birthday event ever, Ethan. I know, it was amazing. Best party ever.
For your great skateboard stunts, Anna, you received the Junior Chase Medal.
Thank you, Officer Jake. This is amazing. I am an official junior police skater captain now. Watch my wheels. Let us carry the wet gorilla to the park picnic tables right now.
The birthday party is finally ready. Grab a sweet chocolate cupcake, everyone.
The melody is playing to wish you a very happy birthday, Ethan.
This was the fastest, loudest, and most epic school blowout in history. Look! The sweet strawberry ice cream truck is here to join our party. Wow! Yes!
The knot is slipping again. Hold the table leg tight, bicycle squad.
Not again! The pink phantom is escaping our secure picnic perimeter zone.
I am rolling fast. I will intercept the plastic chair trail line.
Ah! A giant pink face is stealing my sweet strawberry syrup bottles.
Do not fear, driver. The anti-guerrilla task force is here to save syrup.
The line is locked to my steel police bumper. Chase complete, monster.
Free strawberry scoops for the entire balloon rescue team. Our wheels are faster than your neon green skateboard deck, Anna.
We'll see about that. No racing today, guys. We are delivering the gorilla exhibit to the museum show. The pink prize belongs to our fast rollerblade speed team now. Bye! The wagon handle is loose. It is rolling straight toward main mud puddle. I will use a high-velocity slide maneuver to block the wagon wheels. Direct hit. The wagon stopped 1 inch before the dirty mud puddle. Ah!
Stealing wagons is a major traffic violation. Rollerblade team, return the handle.
We are sorry, officer. We just wanted to see the pink giant fly. It is okay. Come with us to help set up the balloon parade. Teamwork on wheels is way better than silly speed racing wars, guys.
Welcome, children. The modern pop art toy exhibition hall is completely ready.
The pink gorilla looks like a majestic modern king under these glass lamps.
Oh no! The automated hurricane exhaust fan system is malfunctioning today.
The glass roof panes are fragile. The gorilla will smash the ceiling.
I will loop this heavy rubber cord to lasso the trailing foot wire. Got the foot! Pull the rubber line down with your muscles, kids.
1, 2, 3, pull! Overpower the automated wind monster right now!
Hooray! The historic glass ceiling is completely whole. Not a single crack.
You are the official master protectors of the City Art Collection world.
The gallery is closing down. The night shadows are growing long now. Let us start a massive midnight shadow projection show on wall, Anna. Look at the wall. The shadow beast looks like King Kong monster.
The police squad has helicopter shadows chasing the giant gorilla silhouette now. This after-school chase story gets funnier every time we tell it, Jake.
Day 3 of exploration. Let us practice our elite skateboard slalom paths. Driggle through the cup row, Anna. Show us your maximum agility. Our school wheel yard is the happiest playground inside this neighborhood lane. The downpour is huge. The garden yard is turning into wet mud. The storage shelf is tilting over. The heavy box is falling down. The rubber mat creates friction. It stopped the sliding cabinet box base.
Excellent friction rescue, Ethan. You blocked a giant garage gear crash today.
We must keep the rubber dry so the structure stays healthy always.
Look through the window glass. A colorful light bridge is over school. The air smells fresh like summer flowers after that heavy cloud blast.
This picture will remind me that pink monsters are usually just toys.
Our after-school chase team is the most famous group in town now. Thank you for chasing my birthday toy and making us laugh, officer. The Grand Summer City Holiday Festival Parade is officially starting right now.
Clear the road lane, citizens. The Pink Guardian King is coming down.
Look at him bounce! He is wearing a giant gold police hat. Yeah! Our wheel parade is the loudest and coolest show in the city. Hooray for the Pink Gorilla Squad! You are the best team! Parade Team Captain Ethan is reporting for holiday fun duty today, Jake.
Be a lip. The siren is saying thank you to all the honest kids.
The afternoon sun is setting golden over our beautiful green grass base.
True community protection means sharing happy memories and loud laughter with family.
Haha, yeah, look at that hat. I thought the police were angry. But love won the great chase.